Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to render 3D graphics in OpenGL. So let's create a new project and let's go to 2D or 3D graphics and choose OpenGL. Next, let's call this OpenGL pyramid. Now the advantage of my method is that you don't have to use console application, therefore you don't have to go into linker settings tab and set directories and all that. It's just straightforward. And one good thing about OpenGL is it comes with a default code. Now this code renders a 2D rotating triangle. So let's build and run it. With this is that I said since this code works in OpenGL, let me just ask AI to make a 3D version of it. So I copied the code, then I asked AI to make a 3D version of the triangle. That's a pyramid. So specifically Copilot. So I asked Copilot to do that. And I've copied the code. Don't worry, I'll paste the code in the comment section for all those who want to see. And you can equally do the same thing. But if you want AI to write code for you, like specifically OpenGL code, then I would advise that you ask it to use the libraries windows.h and gl.h. And there you have it, a 3D pyramid in OpenGL. You didn't have to use any header files. You didn't have to link them. That's what I mean. You didn't have to use console application. Just straightforward. And I'll show you that I didn't link any libraries or anything like that. So build options. Then the linker settings. There's nothing here. Set directories. There's also nothing there. And I can still run the code without any problem. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.